Hello everyone, this is Noah again with Save Green here, and I'm going to continue talking about MintSim and saving data. So we are currently halfway through our data plan on mintsim.com. If you go on there, you'll see that they have different data plans. We went with the cheapest one, which is 2 gigabytes a month for as little as $15 a month with unlimited talk and text. And I wanted to show everyone how much data I have consumed on this phone as of today. So today's date, as you can see, there's January the 14th, and we started our plan with them on December 26th. So I am about 19 days or so into our data plan out of 30 days. And I'm not even halfway through. I've used 789 megabytes of data. 1,000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte, for those that don't know. So I'm not even halfway through. How do you do this without having, without using so much data? There's 2 videos that I posted on YouTube showing you how to save on your data plan. One of them is talking about how to do that on Google Maps. If you are a big Google Maps user, you might want to see that video. It will help you save on your data plan. And that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is on your apps. Your apps are constantly being updated. So you might want to check that video out as well so you can see how to save on your data plan with regards to apps updating all the time on your phone when you're out and about and not home on your home's Wi-Fi. So as you can see, it is achievable to use 2 gigabytes of data a month or less. I will also soon post a video on another way that you can save on data as well, besides Google Maps and your apps also updating. But just wanted to chime in here since we are a little bit more than halfway through our data plan with MintSim. So far it's been great. Our signal is strong just about everywhere we have been, so no issues, no drawbacks at all. I do give MintSim a thumbs up. So if you have been looking at some of the videos that we've posted or going on the MintSim website, it is legit. You can go ahead and try it out. We've been on it for about 20 days now, and we love it. So, again, this is Noah with Save Green here, signing out. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.